This is Kimpton. I'm going to give you a brief overview of our product here. Let's hop into the chat right away. Under the hood, we have multi-agent orchestration. We have 27 financial tools that we use, live data on 120,000 different assets. We're connected to 2,500 different brokerages through Plaid. We have a lot of technical moat here. We also perform sandbox code execution, and we use frontier models to execute very detailed and precise financial analysis for investors. Now, what you're going to see here is you're going to see an orchestrator dispatching parallel calls on open, high, low, close volume data across all 7 tickers. It's going to spin up a sandbox. It's going to compute the necessary calculations that it needs to make, and it's going to analyze each one of these tickers individually. Now, this is not just a summary from an LLM. This is computed output with real price data. Now, let's visualize it really quick too, because I'm a visual person. But what you're going to notice is it's going to give you a straight answer, and it's going to break it down, and it's going to give you real numbers. All of these numbers are real with no hallucination. Now, I just asked it to output the Sharpe ratios and the drawdowns over time, and I can trust this data. I can go into full screen chat. I can say remove the losers. I can manipulate and modify it. And so this is just a very powerful feature for financial analysts and just people who want to understand the market better. Speaking of understanding the market better, let's go to our chart feature here. Now, this is a chart of Bitcoin. And I have a cursor-like setup here. If my financial data is my code, then I have my agent on my right, then we are cursor for investing, if that makes sense. I also have the feature of visible range within this agent on the right. Now, I can ask what happened here, and this is where I asked it, and it tells me it is the FTX collapse on November 8th, 2022, and it explains exactly what happened. This gets really useful on very granular data sources such as 1 minute, 5 minute data to understand exactly what's going on. We will go down those rabbit holes for users. We also have market insights, which is our daily cron that goes down rabbit holes to source alpha for our users. So it navigates all of our fragmented data sources, investigates further and recursively, and then finds alpha for our users, which is incredibly useful. The last thing we have is the prediction engine. The prediction engine is very unique. We pull live events from prediction markets with real-time probabilities. Then we have an LLM classify each event into a historical regime. And we know how each asset class reacted to those regimes going back decades because we do the time series analysis in the cron job via the LLM. Then we map each holding to your portfolio and tell you exactly what your portfolio is going to look like in 90 days. It's a Monte Carlo drift added with a step function on impact that we calculate for each individual holding, and we offer recommendations on how to make more money or reduce your risk. And so this is incredibly useful.